Imagine this thing is dry. Woo! What's up, homies? It's been a minute since I've been in the garage. Hot as balls today, man, but I'm just gonna work on changing the transmission fluid on the single cam, so let's do it. Clapped out. I forgot gloves, bro. Oh yeah, look at this. Had a wart. Pretty sure you guys have seen it. My girl gave me some salicylic acid, and my mom gave me like some cream too, so I was putting it on. Hopefully maybe like in a month or so this thing won't be on here no more. All right, car is secured. There's so many oil leaks on this car, bro. It's crazy, man. Anyways, the drain bowl is here. If any of you guys are interested in how to do it, there's a drain bowl right here, and the filler bowl is a little more higher. Bro, where's this oil coming from? Hey, your boy is already sweating, bro. I don't know when was the last time this transmission fluid was changed. I can tell you something for sure. Last 4 years, for sure not, because that's how long I've had this car, and I haven't changed it. So, I mean, it's one of those things that you really don't have to change. It's one of the low maintenance things, but if you don't change it, it's gonna, and it's already thin, it's gonna be a bad day for you. Imagine this thing is dry. Woo! Even feels dry. This Honda would have still ran. I think it's pretty much done already. The crush washer looks pretty good too, man. I'm not seeing any metal bits, so that's always good news. Just tighten it real quick. I'm just gonna grab my 17 here. Because that filler bowl is a 17. It's not like the drain bowl. That's just a 3/8 adapter. That's where the fun begins. You pop open your hood, and you can see the hole from down here. You guys see it right there? Past that spider web there. Boom, right there. How the hell are you supposed to get the transmission fluid in there? Good questions. Get yourself a pump. So I'm gonna insert one end into that hole right from here, and then the other end I'm gonna have it into the actual MTF bottle, and I'm just gonna pump and squeeze. That's it. Got cinnamon, man. Sheesh. How's it going, cinnamon? You like the pump? If you don't want to remove the filling bolt, you can also fill in the transmission fluid through the VSS, but you have to remove the 2 bolts. Same thing though. In case you guys don't know what the VSS is, it's the vehicle speed sensor. That one, it's what actually gets your speedometer. It gets a reading from there. Direction that way. I'm gonna put this end down there. Just like that. I'm gonna grab your MTF. For the D16 trans, it's 1.8, 1.9 quarts. Each of these is 1 quart, so 2 quarts. We should be good. All right, let's see the magic happen. That's 1 whole bottle. It's dripping, so it's pretty much full already. Yeah, the whole second quart is already gone, so it's probably the 0.2 quarts that are going out. Tighten it. It feels a lot smoother, man. 3, 4, 5. I need to change that bushing in there, man. It's too loose. Reverse. How do you break in the transmission oil, you ask?